Mega menus help users to find more information from your website. You want to display a mega menu like this to your customers so they stay longer on your site. The problem is that you don't know how to produce a super nice vertical navigation menu like this on your blog posts page. To help you, I've come up with this video solution. This is made with the Blocksy theme, one of my favorite tools to make this easier in a matter of minutes. Creating this type of menu has never been easier than with the Blocksy theme tools. I will be using only the Blocksy Pro theme, no extra plugins, no extra add-ons. You will need the Blocksy Pro version since I will be making use of the content blocks feature that requires a Blocksy Pro license key. Without any further ado, let's dive in. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. If this is your first time watching my videos, this is a channel dedicated to help WordPress business owners to become even more successful. Kindly consider liking this video and to subscribe if this adds value to you so we can all learn together. One of the reasons that you may want a mega menu is to create engagement with your users, helping them to look at more articles and find the information they need, keeping them longer on your site. If users can't find what they are looking, they are likely to leave more quickly and may not come back to your site again. A mega menu is a type of expandable menu in which many choices are displayed in a two-dimensional drop-down layout. It's an excellent design choice for accommodating a large number of options. This is great for e-commerce sites, for example. The possibilities are endless. Everything is visible, no scrolling effect. Example number one I provide you with is this. Envision is a popular website that mostly provides a project handling solution that centralizes the entire workflow system. It has an organized mega menu that links many essential internal pages. My number two example is Dribbble. Dribbble is a world-popular marketplace where designers can showcase their work. It has a beautiful mega menu design that improves the user experience. Under a single menu item like the marketplace, you see an icon with an internal page link and a short description of the page. Example number three is WeDev. WeDev is one of the popular WordPress product-based companies that builds some great products like the token multi-vendor marketplace plugin. It comes with a very clean and simple mega menu. You will notice that under the products menu item there are multiple products showcasing with a product logo and a brief tagline. The last example is Figma. Figma is a popular design tool. They use the handy mega menu to display their essential website content. Their mega menu sections are separated using a solid border and they also utilize infographics. It is what makes it a unique look. You need to have a Blocksy Pro theme active license. Just head over to Blocksy tab and from there also make sure you have enabled the Advanced Menu Pro extension. So within the Menu tab, I have already set up my menu structure under the Appearance tab. Menu is made up of my top level pages with a category. Expand the service page entry, and this is the exact location where you use the advanced mega menu. I will also create a vertical menu to the left just like you have seen. So if I click on the menu item settings button under the general tab, you have three options to build up your drop-down width. You have content width, full width, and custom width. The content width option uses the width set within the customizer. The full width overrides the first option, offering a full width drop-down menu, and the last with custom width dismisses all other configurations. I'm gonna use the content width, and under the columns you can also define the number of columns you want to use. Let's go ahead now using one single column. My home cleaning sub-item of the parent item also needs to be set. At the moment there's nothing there, we need to create a new one. Under the item label, this option is to disable the menu link. It's useful for any use case when you only want to display the menu or the icon and not want to resend to any page or post. For me, I disable. Let me show you how you can build this from scratch. To start building the content block, just head over to the content block tab from your WordPress dashboard. Create a new element and give it a name. I call the hook name as tabs 1, create content block. We are inside the Gutenberg editor space. We have two parts to take into consideration, the design part and the Blocksy content block configuration. I begin with the design part. I will make use of the free stackable blocks and of the free get with block to design the tabs element, which you can download for free from your WordPress plugins. Then within the element, we'll be inserting the posts block. Click on the plus icon. Do a quick search for the get width is this one. From the right sidebar, you can assign the tab style. I want to assign to vertical left, just like that. Then from the tab label, I specify home cleaning. Click on the plus icon and I insert here, for example, commercial, and then on the plus icon again and assign renovation. Under the design tab from your right sidebar, let's add some colors now. Select the title element and then background options from the right sidebar. And here it is, how this goes so far. It looks very promising. Let's move ahead. So to every tab item, I want to insert a blog post block from Stackable. So select the list view and then the tab item and then click here posts. I don't want to use the category and the container background. I want to use this black color and then select the feature image. The width is correct. The height could be 150. The title could be H6 tag with a white color. I don't want the meta. And the read more and the X black color, maybe this one. Under the query option, I just want 4 items, just like that. Then I selected this tab item and I repeat the same process. Okay, after finishing the design, here the first one, then the second item, and the last one. Perfect! In order to associate the hook content block to the menu, head over to the Bloxy page settings and click on its icon. Then inside the Bloxy hook settings, under the location, set sidebar start, condition, entire website, and for visibility conditions, I just want to display on desktop devices, so click on these 2 others to disable, and then update. Overall, you are now able to implement on your website in case you have a large amount of information to be displayed to your audience. Please provide me a comment feedback about if this has been helpful to you and you are gonna use the Blocksy theme to create your next mega menu. You can get really creative with how to use the Blocksy content hooks. You can insert books wherever you would like to keep your audience and more interested at your website. Thank you so much for passing by and for watching this video. Subscribe, share, comment if you like. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Looking forward to your response to my question. See you soon. Bye.